So today's video is about class 7's dialogue, and the topic that we are going to learn today is write a dialogue between you and your friend about the importance of physical exercise। অর্থাৎ তোমার বন্ধু এবং তোমার মধ্যে শারীরিক ব্যায়ামের সম্বন্ধে একটি কথোপকথন রচনা। So first myself বলছে what's the plan with you? রাতুল, where's the problem with you? রাতুল বলছে, I don't know, but I always try to be well. Myself, listen to me. Are you serious with your study? Ratul, it's not like that. I have to complete my home task quickly. Myself, you are simply taxing your brain at the cost of your health. Ratul, what can I do? Myself, take some physical exercise every day. Why? Myself, because physical exercise can make you physically and mentally fit. Ratul, what sort of physical exercise should I take? Myself, walking, swimming, participating in games and sports, etc. Ratul, okay, I'll try. Myself, no, you must practice it for your refreshment. Ratul, thanks for your advice. Bye. Myself, see you again.